Hello everyone. Confused as to what your next knife should be? Look no further. This video will rank the best 3 EDC knife based on affordability, performance, and the manufacturer's reputation to put an end to your woes and ensure that you buy a knife that gives you great value for money. Make sure to check out the product links in the description. Number 17. CJRB Cutlery Tactical Knife. The flipper on the CJRB folding tactical knife allows you to open the weapon with either hand. The cleaver style blade is made of tough RPM 9 steel and measures 3.5 inches in length. Artisan Cutlery patent RPM 9 powder steel is used in the blade of this pocket knife for men. To improve grip and prevent slippage, the handle is made of softly textured double-deck G10. A steel clip is affixed to the handle, making it easy to carry the knife in your pocket. Number 16. QSP Penguin Pocket Knife. D2 blade with jimping satin finish and black stone wash finish, HRC 5860, and a variety of handle options. Copper washes for smooth opening, left and right-handed thumb stub opening. Reversible pocket clip left and right. Convenient for everyday carry with a 4.0 inches handle that is easy to carry. 100% money back guarantee if the new knife has material and workmanship defects. For customer support, QSP Knife has a representative in the United States. Number 15. Spyderco Para 3 Knife. The new EDC, the Para 3, condenses all of the best-in-class features into a more compact, carry-friendly container. The Para 3 is destined to be a classic since it was once one of the most capable folding knives ever manufactured. The highest quality Para 3 is made of high CPM S30V particle metallurgy stainless steel, and it has excellent balance edge retention and low friction cutting performance. Its stainless steel liners are nested into the textured G10 scales, and it has a lightweight open back construction style. This thins off the handle while providing superb support for the knife's compression lock. The Para 3 has a long and illustrious history dating back to the launch of the paramilitary design in 2004. It has the same proven durability and cutting capability as the original, but in a smaller, easier to carry package. Easy to use lock located in the handle spine. The compression lock's high strength mechanism securely locks the blade open while in use, while allowing it to be closed simply and safely with one hand. Number 14. CRKT Pilar EDC Folding Pocket Knife. The thumb slot allows the blade to be opened with either hand. Elegant appearance, the blade has a satin finish that gives it a contemporary appearance. Brute strength, the hefty lock bar secures the blade in a frame lock. Jesper Vanis designed it in Løgstrup, Denmark. Any flaws in materials or workmanship are covered by a limited lifetime warranty. Visit the company's website for more information. Number 13. Benchmade Mini Griptilian Knife. Built to perform no matter the application, simplicity meets unmatched function, ideal for pretty much everything. The Mini Griptilian 556 is the perfect addition to your EDC collection: backpack, survival kit, tackle box, and more, thanks to its low profile and lightweight construction. CPM S30V stainless steel, made in the USA, extremely well balanced, excellent edge characteristics and rust resistance. The Griptilian handle. This handle is totally ambidextrous, has a textured grip, and is made of glass-filled nylon for long-lasting sturdiness. Axis locking mechanism provides security as well as a smooth opening and closing A clip that can be used on both sides. Number 12. Opinel Stainless Steel Folding Knife. Since 1890, this indispensable tool has remained unchanged, and it is a must-have for both outdoorsmen and handymen. For secure latching, the stainless Barricade safety ring comprises 2 portions, one fixed and one sliding. Sandvik 12C27 modified stainless steel is used in Opinel stainless steel blades. The handle is crafted of sturdy, long-lasting beechwood from France. Under regular use, Opinel items are guaranteed and can be swapped if there are any manufacturing flaws. Number 11. Kershaw Lightyear Pocket Knife. Kershaw's Lightyear is a sleek and effective 3.125-inch blade composed of 4 CR14 steel that has excellent corrosion resistance. The lightweight glass-filled nylon handle has recessed grooves that improve grip strength and comfort. The speed-safe opening system opens this assisted opening knife swiftly and easily, and a liner lock secures the blade. A great everyday pocket knife that is both safe and simple to use. This knife is ideal for a beginner's first knife or as a new addition to an existing collection. 3.125-inch blade, 4.125-inch closed length, and 7.25-inch open length, 2.5-ounce weight. Number 10. Kershaw Cryo 2 Pocket Knife. The 8CR13 move stainless steel blade is 3.25 inches long and has an outstanding hardness, edge retention and corrosion resistance. The blade's stealthy blackwash coating adds further protection by hiding scratches, scuffs and fingerprints. The handle is made of stainless steel with a flipper robust frame, lock bar stabilizer and 4-position deep carry pocket clip. Speed safe assisted opening is a breeze. With the pre-drilled attachment point on the handle, this sleek robust EDC may be effortlessly carried in pockets, backpacks, wallets, belts or on a lanyard. Ideal for any traveler, hunter, wilderness guide, gardener, mechanic or anybody who needs a reliable everyday carry. Number 9. Zero Tolerance Knife. A basic design with a 20 CV sheep's foot blade and an ultra lightweight carbon fiber handle. With a full carbon fiber grip, this is a manual opening. This non-locking slip joint knife has a double detent mechanism with one detent to keep the blade safely closed for carrying and the other to ensure a regulated open and closure. You'll also notice that the blade has no logo on the side, instead we put our name on the spine of the knife to keep it looking clean. Blade length 2.6 inches, made in the United States, 6.6 centimeters. Number 8. Spyderco Folding Knife. Always ready knife. The Spyderco Assist Black Blade is a compact folder designed for emergency responders and well-equipped citizens who rely on knives to be simple to use and operate flawlessly. The blade is coated in non-reflective black carbon nitride and has a blunt nose design composed of high carbon VG10 stainless steel that is filled with teeth. It has a plain edged tip and a 3 to 3 and 8 inches serrated cutting edge. The black lightweight fiberglass reinforced nylon FRN handle has a survival whistle incorporated into the butt end that is harsh and high-pitched enough to attract attention, and a reinforced wire pocket clip attaches to the handle on either side. Iconic design inside the handle is a retractable and replaceable carbide tip glass icebreaker that is exposed when the closed blade is pressed into the handle, then retracts when pressure is removed. The Cobra hood is a metal cap that directs your thumb over the hole for quick by feel opening. It also serves as a textured leverage platform for your thumb while cutting. Number 7. Kershaw Barricade Orange Knife. The redesigned clip point blade opens one-handed using the flipper, and speed safe assisted opening offers quick access to the blade with the one-handed safe release. The enclosed hard and corrosion resistant blade meets every need and want. The liner lock locks the blade in place during use and closes quickly when duties are completed. The enclosed hard and corrosion resistant blade meets every need and wish. A single position pocket clip provides for easy and convenient carry. The knife also has a deep carry pocket clip that allows it to ride low in pockets. The built-in belt cutter can be used as an escape weapon in an emergency. A robust and easily accessible carbide glass breaker is incorporated into the handle. Number 6. Gerber Paraframe 2 Knife. The 3.5-inch serrated Tanto blade. Excellent corrosion resistance is provided by a black titanium nitride covering. The security feature of the frame lock. For everyday use, a pocket clip is available. The 2 thumb studs make one-handed opening a breeze. Number 5. Spyderco Delica 4 Knife. The Delica 4 now comes in a variety of colorful colors, including blue, green, brown, gray, orange, some green, black and purple. The blades are made of complete flat ground VG10 steel with a thinner, more refined cutting edge and a larger 13mm opening hole. Dual skeletonized stainless steel liners inside the handle strengthen the knife without adding weight and serve as an anchor for external and internal components to attach through, resulting in increased sturdiness. Molded onto the FRN for a secure grip, the surface of the handle has bidirectional texturing for non-slip tactile traction that helps to prevent slippage in the hand. Slip-resistant jimping has been added to the blade spine to make it more ergonomic. The clip has been modified to a 4-way tip-up, tip-down left or right-handed clip with phosphor bronze washers to smooth out the open and close operation. Number 4. Spyderco Brouwer Specialty Folding Knife. Folding knives with a locking mechanism are safe, compact, and convenient to carry. They were also the birthplace of the Spyderco revolution. An epoxy-filled woven glass fiber that is stiff, non-slip, and resistant to chemicals and temperature fluctuations. Titanium is a non-ferrous metal with high tensile strength, lightweight, and corrosion resistance that is utilized in the manufacture of knives. This knife has a blade with flat bevels running all the way from the spine to the cutting edge. This grind minimizes cutting drag while also lowering the overall weight. CPMS 30V140 grind, full flat closed length inches 4, overall length inches 6.77, blade length inches 2.77, blade steel, CPMS 30V140. Number 3. Kershaw Blur Black Knife. One-handed opening is simple, safe, and ambidextrous with speed safe assisted opening. The reversible pocket clip makes storing the pocket knife simple. You can alter the blade tip position or even the side the knife carries. It rests deep in the pocket for unobtrusive carry. The thumb stud is properly positioned for accessibility and convenience of opening with a single thumb screw. Handle features an inset liner lock for enhanced strength, longevity and safety. Track Tech provides excellent grip and facilitates carrying in a variety of environments including freshwater, sea, snow, mud and dirty skinning. Number 2. Zero Tolerance Pocket Knife. The 0357BW is a working knife designed to withstand severe environments. A 3.25-inch drop-point blade provides enough of a cutting edge for users. CPM 20CV blade steel is high-end blade steel with the excellent edge retention and corrosion resistance. Scratches blend nicely with the black wash finish of the blade. Both the front and back of the handle are machined in black G10. The ZT Speed Safe mechanism is included on the 0357BW, which is an aided knife. To readily open the knife, simply pull back on the flipper. The finished product comes in at a value price appropriate for all ZT users after being precision constructed in its Tualatin, Oregon, USA plant. Components included a pocket knife. Number 1. Zero Tolerance Hinderer Slicer Folding Knife. CPM 20CV stainless steel blade with a stone wash and satin finish is ultra premium and offers excellent edge retention and corrosion resistance. Hinderer's flat ground slicer grind provides both slicing efficiency and a robust point. The handle is made of stone-washed titanium with a carbon fiber front scale. Thanks for watching our video. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check them out. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel for more product reviews.